Have you ever sat there musing over the idea of what exactly a startup is? Today we're going to unravel that mystery. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this enlightening journey together. In the simplest of terms, a startup is a young company founded by one or more entrepreneurs. They aim to bring a unique product or service to the market, or perhaps they're trying to develop a new product or service under conditions of extreme uncertainty. Often these are innovative, fast-growing businesses that aim to meet a marketplace need by developing or offering an innovative product, process, or service. The inception of a startup is a fascinating phase. It all starts with an idea, a spark, a eureka moment, if you will. The entrepreneur visualizes a gap in the market and comes up with an innovative solution to fill it. This is the birth of a startup, the moment of conception. Once the idea is conceived, the next step is to validate it. Entrepreneurs conduct market research, test the product or service, and gather feedback. The objective? To ensure that their solution is something that the market needs and is willing to pay for. This stage is all about validation and refinement. Now imagine the startup has a validated idea. The next step? Building the product or service. This is the development phase. It's where the idea transforms into a tangible product or service. The aim is to create a minimum viable product, a version of the product with enough features to attract early adopter customers and validate the product idea further. Once the product or service is developed, the startup moves into the launch phase. This is when the product or service is introduced to the market. It's a critical stage, as it's the startup's first chance to make an impression on its target audience. After the launch, the focus shifts to growth. The startup needs to attract more customers, increase sales, and expand its market share. This is often achieved through marketing and sales strategies, partnerships, and sometimes expanding to new markets. The final stage in a startup's journey is scaling. At this point, the startup has a proven product and a business model that works. The aim is to grow the business rapidly and sustainably. This often involves securing additional funding, expanding the team, and sometimes international expansion. So to summarize, a startup goes through several stages: inception, validation, development, launch, growth, and scaling. Each stage is unique and requires different strategies and resources. It's a journey filled with highs and lows, successes and failures. But for those who brave this path, the rewards can be immense. Remember, a startup is more than just a business. It's a journey of innovation, risk, and perseverance. It's about seeing a gap in the market, coming up with an innovative solution, and having the courage to turn that idea into reality. So, the next time you hear the word startup, you'll know exactly what it means. It's not just a buzzword, it's a testament to human ingenuity and entrepreneurial spirit. It's the embodiment of innovation and risk-taking. And who knows, maybe you'll be inspired to start your own journey and create your own startup.